In this video, you will learn how to remove or delete data series from Microsoft Excel graph. Currently, you can see here I have generated this multiple bar graph. It has three data series that are location A data series, location B and location C. You will learn how to delete data series from this graph. For example, in this case, I have removed two data series and the result is in front of you. You can see here I have removed data series B and data series C from this graph. You will learn three easy methods. Firstly, you will learn how to remove these data series temporary basis so that you can add back at any time. Later on, you will learn how to delete these data series permanently. So let's learn how to delete or remove data series from Microsoft Excel graph. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, firstly, I will generate a multiple bar graph to demonstrate how to remove data series. I will select this data, go to insert option, and here is the option of bar or column chart. Select this one. From here I will choose this one, which is the clustered column chart. I will place it here and I will resize it. Firstly, you will learn how to remove these data series on temporary basis. For example, from this graph you can see here there are three data series, location A, location B and location C. I am interested to remove location C data series on temporary basis. Currently you can see here it is indicated by this green color. Click on this graph. Here you will find three options. At the bottom you will find the option of chart filter. Click on this option. Here you will find the option of series, which shows the series A, series B and series C. You can deselect any one. For example, I am interested to remove location C, so I will deselect this one. Click on this box. Now you can see here it is deselected. After doing that, simply click on apply. Click anywhere on this sheet. Now you can see here that data series is removed from our graph. Now I have decided to add back that data series. I will click on this graph. Again, go to this option, which is the chart filter. Now I will again select this data series. Click on this box. After doing that, click on apply. Now you can see here we have successfully added back that data series. Click anywhere on this sheet and this option will be disappeared. Now you will learn how to remove this data series permanently. Click on this graph and here is the option of chart design. Select this one. Go to select data option. Here you will find two pane. It is the x-axis pane and it shows the y-axis data. Currently you can see here three data series are displayed in our graph, location A, location B and location C. I am interested to remove location B. I will click here. Now you can see here location B is highlighted by blue color. It means that if I remove this one, then location B series will be removed. For example, currently you can see here I have already selected this one. After selecting this one, go to remove option and click on OK. Now you can see here we have successfully removed location B data series from our graph. Now you will learn third method. In this case, I am interested to remove location C data series. Single click on any bar of location C. I will click here. Now you can see here all data series is selected. It is indicated by these small circles. Remember that do not double click on any data bar. Only single click on any data bar and whole data series will be selected. For example, if I double click on it, now you can see here only this bar is selected. Whole data series is not selected here. I will deselect it and again single click on this bar. Now you can see here whole data series is selected. After doing that, place your cursor on any of this bar. I will place my cursor here on selected bar. Right click. Here you will find the option of delete. Click on delete option and that data series will be deleted. After selecting this one, you can also press backspace option to remove that data series. So by using any of these methods, you can easily remove data series from Microsoft Excel graph. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.